Namaste, Mitron. Welcome back to Movie Community College. Marinam Tishay, the Warrior Queen.
Mitron!
That's not how you pronounce it.
What's up? That's how you would say in East LA. Mitron!
Okay.
What's up, everybody? How are you? I have a video here. It is so sorry.
Oh, nice.
It's been a while.
It has been a while.
I watched the video, and I cracked up at a scene of it, and I thought, well, we got to react
I can't wait to see. Let's see. This first, though, looks like an ad.
Well, they have an ad now
Yeah.
at the startup.
Is it? I was just going to say, it's the Dut ad. We've seen this ad before.
दौड़ेगा भागेगा बाबा all seasons के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. I'm a man of all seasons.
So sorry.
She's a defenseman. I think defense minister.
They're scared. I knew it was going to be Modi.
He's got a face shield on. He's got a face shield.
Yes, he does.
लॉकडाउन में किसने मेरे चिराग में झांका अब आ गया हूँ मैं बताओ क्या हुक्म है मेरे आका
क्या बताएं मुश्किल बड़ी
course,
है
we have no idea what
ये
he's
हमारे
saying.
लिए परीक्षा की घड़ी है
तो बताओ क्या है
Yes,
तुम्हारे
it is.
इरादे मैं जिद हूँ पूरी कर दूंगा दिन मुरादे
बताओ क्या कोई काम हो सकता है क्या इकोनॉमी के लिए कुछ रुपयों का इंतजाम हो सकता है
ये लो 20 लाख करोड़ इनसे इकोनॉमी की गाड़ी लो खींच नेक्स्ट विश मैडम प्लीज
थैंक यू जीनी तुमने कमाल कर दिया लेकिन बेरोजगारी ने देश में बवाल कर दिया कैसे लोगों के मन को समझाएं कैसे उन्हें काम
This
पर
is gonna be a money
लौटाएं
making machine.
Yep, absolutely.
लोगों को समझाओ कि वो आत्मनिर्भर बने डोंट बी खामोश आगे बताइए अपनी तीसरी विश फरमाइए
बताओ ना जीनी सारा घाटा कब तक बराबर होगा और कब हमारा इंडिया इकोनॉमी में सुपर पावर होगा
मेरा डेविड जैसन कंट्री का माल लोकल से वोकल और वोकल से ग्लोबल हो जाएगा समझ लो फिर अपना इंडिया रक्षा दुनिया में सुपर पावर बन जाएगा मालूम
Protecting himself. I thought that was clever.
It was clever.
So it looks like they're going to just.
Was clever.
So it looks like they're going to just be a printing press, like in America, and just we'll print up everything you need. Don't worry about it.
Yes, it's unfortunate that India and America have been put in this position, and other countries as well. Through no fault of our own, things are tanking. However, America recently had some good news last week with people starting to get back to work, and so that's going to happen in India as well. We just have to bide our time, and we'll all get through it. So.
Together, we're all in this
all
together.
in this together. I hate
I'm
those
so sick of
commercials.
hearing
I
that.
hate those commercials. Yes, I'm tired of it.
Anyways, I'll catch you guys later.
Bye, friends.
Hello, guys. This is Kareem. I hope you're doing well. And as you know, the professor has resisted Patreon for a long time. But now is the time for Movie Community College to offer Patreon. And you may be asking, why now? Well, for several reasons. One, we want to make documentaries, and those have a cost to them. Two, we want to make short films, and those also will have a cost to them as well. Three, we're going to take legal action, all the proper precautions to do reaction videos. So if you're excited about this and you want to get some amazing swag from Movie Community College and some awesome rewards, then definitely help support Movie Community College by checking out the Patreon link below this video.